Nairobi hindi ya mugururio wa Maabitha borithi na aria marakorirwo magiethana na mwikuiruo mwena uria magatariria ati akoretwo nake kuna ati ni atabanagia ngero cia wikinaĩ mwena ucio. Mwikuiruo uyu no uria kana no uria uikaine ta kerori, kamau na ritwa ringi johnte arakorirwo akionwo ni Maabitha a borithi na hindi iria arerirwo kana hindi iria aracokire gwitwo ni Maabitha a borithi arahota gwithara. Gukiri uguo Maabitha aya kurerikana mararigiciirie mucii wake thutha wa kugeria kumwira etikire kuineana moko-ini ma Maabitha aya a borithi arangathia aniho Nduthokanirio ici cia Rithathi ranjiririe. Gukiri uguo ni araguraririo na arathi na mbere na kwamwira na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini etereire gukorwo akihingurirwo thitango ciake. Maabitha a borithi ni mahotire gukorwo makiyukia indo imwe ari hamwe na rithathi na iria ikuhuthika ari ta wira wa kuonania ati ni akoretwo agitabania ngero cia wikinaĩ.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Kuria, msimamizi wa nyumba 10 kwa hii area ya Dhawabu. Leo mwendo kama saa asubuhi saa 11:45 tulisikia milio ya risasi, na wakati tulitoka kwa nyumba tukakuta kwamba kuna jambazi alikuwa anaishi kati yetu, hatukuwa tunamjua, ndio alikuwa amepigwa na risasi na polisi.
My name is Biria. I'm a senior superintendent of police, currently in charge DCI Kayole and Ruai sub-counties. Today morning, we had an incident within my area of jurisdiction. On 8th of this month, one of the officers who was based within Makadara sub-county was shot dead within Mihango area, which is within my jurisdiction. A special team was then mounted specifically to try to track down the criminals so that they could be arrested and be brought to book. Today morning, we received some intelligence that one of the key suspects who was involved in the fatal shooting of the officer was at his hideout within Soweto area. Police officers drawn from the regional command and local police officers went to the residence of the suspect. When he was informed to surrender, he came out of his house firing, and as a result, as we are talking now, one of our officers is nursing gunshot injuries on his left thigh. Through his actions, this then prompted the officers to try to return fire, and as a result, he was fatally injured.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga mwikuiruo ni okirire na njira nene tharakĩri ratabanirio mũmbunge mutumia wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga muthenya wa ira, na kuria riu oritie ruhonge rwa Maabitha borithi rukorwo rugitabanio uthuthuria barangi na wa kumenya niki kirarire kiria kingi